If your rehearsal turns into a battleground and you still stand strong, you're a true legend. This is the story of Bob Marley, the man who sang for peace amid bullets. On a tense December night in 1976, Kingston, Jamaica, was a city on the brink. Amid political chaos, Bob Marley was preparing for a concert meant to heal a nation, but violence was closer than anyone thought. During rehearsals at his Hope Road home, gunmen burst in, unleashing a storm of bullets. Bob Marley, his wife Rita, and their manager were struck. Yet, this was no ordinary man. Grazed by a bullet, Marley's resolve only strengthened. Just 2 days later, he stood on stage at the Smile Jamaica concert, his wounds a proof to his unyielding spirit. In front of thousands, Marley sang of peace and resilience. Today, Bob Marley's legacy echoes louder than ever, his music a reminder that courage can indeed change the world, that even in peril, our spirits can remain unbreakable, just like Marley's, a true Jamaican hero.